How to pretty print nested dictionaries? How can I pretty print a dictionary with depth of 4 and Python? I tried pretty printing with print, but it did not work. I simply want an indentation, \t, for each nesting, so that I get something like this. Etc. How can I do this?
I'm not sure how exactly you want the formatting to look like, but you could start with a function like this.
My first thought was that the JSON serializer is probably pretty good at nested dictionaries, so I'd cheat and use that.
You could try YAML via PyYAML. Its output can be fine-tuned. I'd suggest starting with the following. The result is very readable. It can be also parsed back to Python if needed. Edit. Example. By this way you can print it in pretty way. For example, your dictionary name is Yashin. Or, safer,